Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be unboxing something that I ordered from JD Glow Cosmetics. So I ordered this about 2-3 weeks ago, but with the hurricane preparations and all the stuff, I wasn't able to make a video as quickly as I wanted to, but it doesn't matter, I'm here. So I received in the mail a nice padded package, because we all know that it gets thrown around everywhere. So, and it came in this nifty bubble wrap thing. So let's open it. So I ordered these JD Glow eyeshadows. One of them is, so this one is called Reserved. It's a Metallon Collection. Looks really nice. Then I ordered Whip Appeal. I'll take them out of the thingy-mabobber so we can see them a little bit better. Okay. So I'm taking it out of this little nifty encasing that they put it in, which is great because it protects it from getting damaged. So this one is Unexpected, a Galaxy Collection. So let's see if we can get it zoomed in. There you go. So it's about the big dollar coins. So it has, when I shine it, I don't know if you can tell, hang on. Let me get it closer. It's gonna want my face. It has like a purple sheen to it. And then like a flat silver. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it. It's so soft it gets crumbly. So you gotta be careful there. It has, sorry, my shirt got stuck. It has like a purple, greenish, silver tint to it. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's so soft though. Can't wait to do a look for this. Okay, so that one is Unexpected. Just in case I didn't mention it before. So that one's Unexpected. Then, which is very nice, I love it. They're so soft, like they're very, very soft. So you gotta be careful when you swipe it or use your finger on it because it kind of rolls underneath your finger. Nothing negative about that, it's just they're soft. They're very soft. So I'm gonna put it back into the little case. Then this one is Ruby, which I'm dying to try because I love like reds and like oranges. I love that. I love bright colors. So this is the red one. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of like a red orangey look. Okay, so let's swatch it. It's very soft. They're all very soft. It's kind of like almost like a reddish copper color. They're very, very pretty. I don't know if that helps. So I'm trying to move it to your direction. It's very, very nice. I love that. Very nice. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna try the next one. That one is Ruby. It's literally ruby. Like, I love it. It's beautiful. So then we have Bestie, which is orange. And it comes in the little package like we spoke about. And then, let me see if I can get this out. Try to carefully get them out so they don't pop and break. So this one is kind of like an orange with a gold sheen on it. Let's see if the camera zooms in on it. There we go. You can see it's beautiful. This reminds me so much of fall. I love this. This one's not as soft, but maybe it's because of the glittery effect, which is still nothing negative about it. They're still soft, don't get me wrong. It's just not as soft as the other one. And I think maybe it's because of the glitters in it. But it's beautiful. Look at that. Y'all, I love orange. Then we have Whip Appeal. And it's kind of like, let me pull it up. I don't know, it's like orange, pink, red, has a multiple tones in there. It's more flat looking on the pan. It doesn't have any, like a lot of glitters like the other ones did. It still has some glitters in it. So let's see. They crumble very easily, so you gotta be careful. Look, this is me swiping it. Let's see if it zooms in. It gets crumbly. So it's nothing negative, it's just they're soft. So just be aware of that. This one, it's almost like it's like a peach. Like a peach pink. It's very pretty. It's more flat looking. It still has like a gold tone in it, but it's still like, it's more of the flatter looking ones. Even though it's not really flat, not matte, but it's one of like the more flat looking ones, but it's still very pretty. I paid these with my own money, so this is not them asking me to do any of the reviews or swatches or anything like that. So this is me. This is my money. So these, I think they're like $7 or something like that, each of the pans. So then this one is reserved. So as you can see, it's very silver. I love silver. But it has like a green, purple, like lavender undertone. So I'm gonna try that and dry my hands from cleaning my other hand. So it's almost like ice looking. God, the payoff is beautiful. This one is not as crumbly as the other ones, and it's probably because of the glitters in it. But look at that. See, like my finger. So yeah, it's very nice. Love it. It, you know, as silvers, you gotta kind of be careful because you could look kind of like ashy looking, but this is not that. It's not ashy looking. I guess since they put the lavender in it, it makes it not look ashy. It looks like a pure silver. So it's beautiful. I love it. It's very pretty. Okay, so the last one is this is the one that they're kind of really big on, the multi-chrome ones. They have a whole, like 7 of them, I think it is, a collection, a bundle. I only ordered one because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not. So I didn't want to spend too much money on something that I may not like. So I tried one, see how I like it. If I like it, then I'll probably order more. But so far, this one is not as big as the other ones. This one is probably like a quarter, and then this is like the $1. You see, like there's a quite a big of a difference in size. Depth is the same thing, so they're the same size and depth. But when it comes to size, look how they're quite different in size. So then this one is and it has a purple, green, kind of blue under like tone thing going on. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in. Come on, camera. So there's the purple. See, changes. Let's see how it goes. This one's really soft like the other ones, and it's beautiful. So the pan's a little bit smaller, so it's kind of harder to get your finger in there. So that's why I went back a couple of times. It's not because the swatch is weak, it's just that it's kind of hard to get your finger in there. So this is the color, and it's beautiful. has like a purple, a green. You know what it looks like? This is what it reminds me of. Have you ever seen oil spilled on the floor? It has like a green, purple, like metallic look. That's exactly what this looks like. It's beautiful. Like, look at that. Like, that is just, oh. It's just gorgeous. It really is. It really, really is. I ordered 7 eyeshadows. I paid for them myself. And I did like all of them. I probably wouldn't do Whip Appeal again. I felt like that one's a little bit more flat looking. It's still pretty, but it's just not my taste. Maybe somebody else can wing it much better than I can. But it's still a very good eyeshadow. But above all of them, I really do like all of them. It was great. Their stuff is really soft. It got here fairly quick. I do live kind of far away, and I know that they make these by hand, so it's not gonna be next day delivery or anything like that, but it did take like maybe 4 days. So it wasn't terrible delivery or anything like that. It didn't take 2 years and 5 months and 3 hours and 2 seconds. So it was pretty good. It got here pretty quickly, fairly quickly. And they send you this little card with a code for 15% off for the next order. So when you order it, you can get your 15% off. But they pride themselves, I've noticed that they pride themselves on the quality of makeup. And that's why I was willing to try it and give it a shot. And so far, they're really good. And I would definitely suggest you guys, if you guys are looking for something like really deep in color, great payoff, soft, that would be a go-to company. They're great, they're phenomenal, and you should follow them on their Instagram. I think it's, let me see. It is JD Glow Cosmetics. They always do swatches of their products, but you know, you always want to do your own swatch, because when you make your own stuff, you always want to make it look better than what it really is. So that's why I wanted to do my own swatches, just to kind of, okay, they are really making real swatches, because you know, everybody edits, you know, makes things look not what they are. So that's why I wanted to do my own video to see if they really are like what they're really swatching. And they are. They're really good. They're soft. I wish if I could compare how soft they are, they're really soft. They're soft like the Lorac palettes. They're really soft. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Y nos veremos pronto.